Here's how you can make butter chicken patties. So far we've made butter chicken pizza, pasta, wings, poutine, shawarma, mac and cheese, lasagna, sandwich, samosa. It's time for a patty.
Honestly, I was kind of skeptic before,
You've seen me make butter chicken so many times, so let's focus on the patty crust.
Alright, so it's flour, salt, sugar, food coloring, and then we add the butter. The butter has to be frozen, the beef suet, and then ice cold water.
So after my buddy Isa mixes everything, he'll plop this into this giant machine to compress it and then roll it out in 2 strips.
It's a good combination with my grandmother's crust. She passed away about a month ago. Before she passed, she gave me the recipe on this beautiful patty crust right here. She actually sat me down and showed me step by step how to do it. Grandma Morgan, love you, Grandma.
After the dough is rolled out, it's time to add in the leftover butter chicken.
We're gonna put it into a bowl. So we'll put some of the gravy along with the chicken.
He'll add spoonfuls of butter chicken onto the dough, sprays it with water to act as a glue, folds it, shapes it, cuts it, and in the oven it goes at 300 for about 25 minutes, and that's pretty much it. I think it needs a bit more sauce, but that's good. It's so flaky. Are we going to put this on the menu or no?
That was my initial thought.
What, you want to put this on the menu?
No, I was thinking like, it's not on the menu. Now you're gonna cause a dilemma for me.
No, you can put it on the menu. It's all you, man. It's all you.
But I'm not a butter chicken expert.
I don't know if I can keep supplying it to you, man.
We'll see what we could do.
All right, cool. Let's see. Inshallah.